Hello guys, so today we're at Pettitts. Nice go-karts for the kids to go on there, dinosaur themed. Play area.
Hello.
There's Dad's head. Reptile house. And the Temple Theatre, which is where they put on comedian shows, theatre, puppets and stuff like that. And at the moment we're at the Meerkat Kingdom.
Hello, Freddy. Hello, Freddy. Hello.
Underneath there, look.
He's gone underneath. He's having a dig.
Thought he's gone in there and going to come out here.
He's gone in there. Is he gonna come out with that one? Oh, he has come out the other side. We've got Pettitts Golf. It's free. You just get your ball from there and your club, and you just go around and do the amazing, I think that's 9-hole golf course. Yes, we'll do that later. It's well themed around here. And construction, but the kids can go in there. So the kids can play in the sand pit. It is. There's a little flame there as well that the kids can go on.
This was nearly from last time.
No, this has been here for many years, this bit. Yeah. Yeah. No dogs allowed. Nice.
They had ducklings last time, didn't they?
I did.
I want to dredge that pond, don't they? Look at them back in
Nice pond. Miniature railway, what goes around. And in here we've got Mr. Owl. Got another one up there.
on the bottom, James, which is better photograph, look.
I'm doing a vlog.
Oh yeah?
There's another one down there. Mr. Duke. We've got many different rides. This is the train one. There we go. Caterpillar. And the Safari Adventure. On our first ride. here. There's a nice little farmyard down here. Got some play equipment, and this is where the goats are.
What, you going in with them?
With
Yeah.
a big sheep.
I can see Billy the kid.
There's
I
a
look like they're
hen
chilling out, just sitting down today.
and a goat on top of the goat hut.
Where could you bring this food out?
Oh, they jump.
Here we have a area,
Skippy the bush
and we
candy.
have 2 wallabies, 3 wallabies, and we have another Ree heading towards us there.
Rhea.
These are all their things that
Hello.
There's Mr. Rhea.
How are you? You've got a long neck.
Here he comes, he's following us around. Trying to get some seed from in between the barrier.
stone.
There's Mr. Piggy. So you've got a rear view today.
Is he going to show me his front?
At the stables, of course, for the feed house.
Hello, Piggy. Piggy. Piggy.
This is Mr. Wallaby. He's going over there. This is White Wallaby in the Lee house. Now we have some zebra humped cattle, which are cows, but I've got a little hump in the middle, and they're very horny. There's our alpacas. I don't want to see us today. Just a rear end. There he is. Hello, Flo. Her name's Flo. I think that's Floshy. Now the parents have found the goats now. You can go in with them, but the parents don't like going in with them. Mum got frightened.
Oh, it's a bit funny. Do you want some brownie? Oh, don't push him out the way.
He's looking at the food.
Well, bring them back to you. I've seen your face.
He wants more
It's
food.
him again. Oh,
And there's Mr. Piggy. He's got some food now. Got some carrot, got some parsnip, potato.
Potato, vegetable dinner. Is that nice? You're enjoying that.
Ginger, I think it's a bit of ginger.
Some bread.
Apple. Sounds like me after having dinner, slapping my gums.
He's enjoying that. He won't eat the.
And here comes the Pettitts Railway. Mum and Dad are going to clean their hands. Here comes the railway. There he goes.
I'll have a turn.
And there's the caterpillar. Oh, it's like a good caterpillar. Parents at the back. Oh dear. Yeah, they're right back there. I'm at the front. My knees are in the way. It's going to take me ages to get out of here. Took me ages to get in. Comes a train. Nice bit of interaction. Got a pirate scene.
Behind us.
Yeah, I know. I know. That's why we should be in one side. Plenty of rides. You've got the balloon ride. You've got the kangaroo ride. You've got the pirate ship. You've got teacups. You've got the elephants. You've got a roller coaster, mini roller coaster. Nice lake.
Never won train, I suppose.
Mum pussied out on the kangaroo. I was going to take a video of her on the kangaroo, but she decided not to go. Nice lakeside picnic area. Across the railway track. There's the railway station. And we're on the train. down somewhere in there. That's the owls we saw earlier. And the crazy golf course. Looks like we're going to be putting some more things over there eventually. I started to cut it down. This is the one we had some interaction with earlier. The farmyard. The ride we had interaction with earlier. Pettitts. Roller coaster. We're back at the station again. Oh, Squirt.
Hello.
You like the camera? You like being on the vlog?
Coming back up again. Look.
Can't you find his parents?
You're on the telly now.
Is he,
Budgies. Hello, you guys.
They're nice, aren't they?
Trying to zoom in. Fence won't let me get any closer.
Sit on my finger.
We've found a parrot called Henry. Hello, Henry. Henry. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, you're a nice one.
Hello. Come on then. Come on.
Happy.
Hello, Henry. Henry.
Oh, this is that lady.
Hello.
Is Henry here?
Oh, hello, Henry. Henry, hello. Hello, Henry. Hello. Sweetie boy. Sweetie boy.
Percy?
We found pheasant.
We're having it there.
I'm not looking at you.
Wishing well.
Got the wishing well. Pettitts wishing well. Lots of money in there.
People about wishes. Wishing well, wishing well.
Got Gnome Central. He's got
Still in his box there.
a goat in his hand.
He's got a goat in his hand, oh, that little one.
Yeah, look.
It's a reindeer.
The reindeer with a nutmeg bun.
It's Rudolph.
Now usually a sneaky pit, a sneaky look inside Maxie's house through this little gap here, usually reveals Santa Claus. Oh God, let me get down. Can we see Santa Claus today? Oh, we see the snowman. Hey, oh God. Oh God, the door's loose. There's a train, I think. Yeah, there's a train. And snowman and Santa. Yes, Santa is still there.
They all used to like the train going.
These are the gnomes. More gnomes. They used to have a train going across the bridges and everything, but I got rid of it. Nice little model train that was going through the nice gnome central. Is that a gnome smoking a bong? Who knows? And you used to be able to press this button, don't know if you still can, and things used to happen inside, but you can't see anything. That's an area of the park what needs a bit of investment and changing, to be fair. Looks a bit rare down. Then you got the kids' adventure play course with a zip wire, just there, and a nice climbing a nice thing you swing on there. And you've got a chicken sew over there, all electronic chicken sew, and you've got an adventure play area for the kids just over there. Lots of investment has gone into this park in the past few years. It's very good to see. We're heading over to the Reptile house now. That's a closer look at that play area. Now we're in the Reptile house. I wonder what we'll see in here.
Snake under there.
Oh, look, there's a snake just under the rock. Just there. He's asleep. Ah, we've got a lizard sleeping there. We've got a little something in the corner over there.
I see it over there.
Can we see his head? No, we
The
cannot.
spiny tail monitor.
Monitor.
Can we see him better from here? Oh, we can't see his head. Oh yes, we can. There it is. There's his head. Little man there. Oh, that woke him up. What have we got in here? Ah, a big frog in the corner there.
Such a bearded dragon.
Oh, it's a dragon, sorry, not a frog. Oh no. I thought it was one of those bullfrogs, just over in the corner, just near the plant down there. Oh, we've woke him up. There he is. He's trying to look at Mum.
I can't see anything in here.
Hello.
Oh,
Mister.
Hello.
I'm tired. Please leave me to sleep. Mind your head as you come up.
Over here, we've got a snake. If we can see him. You're looking in real time like I am, and I cannot see him. Oh, I can now. He's right at the back. Yeah. Just there. Camera isn't picking up on him, I don't think. Yeah, it is now. There we go. In here. We have another
hedgehog
big
sanctuary
white
we went
snake
to
with his
somewhere.
head.
Yeah.
Didn't that smell in there?
Yeah. Strong. Are you just remembering that?
Yeah.
What do we have in here?
Bosk monitor.
Oh. A Bosk monitor. Again, you're looking real time like I am, and I cannot see him right now.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Well, he's definitely in there, but who knows where? Probably behind them bricks. Well, there's a big boy. Here's the
Green iguana.
green iguana.
It's a big one.
He's a big boy.
It's got 2 eyes on the front.
2 eyes, of course he's got 2 eyes. He's got one on both sides. That's his breathing. He breathes out that second one, Mother.
Oh, that's a breathing arm.
Yeah.
Big, isn't it? You see him?
Yeah. What a big boy, isn't he?
He's a big boy. Who's a big boy? Hello.
You're looking at you now. There's the
And here we've got the python.
Who's here?
He's down there today. He's asleep. He was the Balinese python. In here, we've got another snake,
What have you got there, dear?
A snake under the
which is the carpet python.
the royal python.
The royal, what in here?
Yeah,
Royal
under
Under
python.
the stone rock.
Oh, Mum knows where they all are today. There he is. The royal python.
Yeah. Hey, you're looking at me. You're moving your head round.
In here,
What are
we've
you?
got the bearded dragon.
He's nice.
There he is.
He
Again,
was moving his
that
head from side to
hole on
side
the
a minute
side of
ago.
him there is his breathing hole.
He's got his dinner there.
Don't that look so gorgeous?
The red potted tortoise.
You should have a... Ah, there he is, a nice tortoise.
Oh, under there.
Hiding down
Oh,
there.
He's alive, isn't he?
He's the red-footed tortoise. As Mum said, at least he's alive. Oh God. That was the Reptile world.
Some food there, look.
Are you hungry?
Now we're in the rabbit area. He's having a munch up with his carrot there, and I think broccoli.
Yeah, look.
Our rabbit used to have one in the garden, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's a big one over there as well. And it's like the Teletubbies. I live in this island here, look. Teletubby Island. There he is, look.
Nice and good, isn't it?
There he is.
He's hiding.
And another rabbit enclosure. They're probably inside in this one, looking at it.
Inside, nobody else.
Yeah, they've got water, plenty of water, mother. Run both sides. Here you are, there he is. And this one is having a clean.
Hello, Snowy.
Hello. 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 Hello, little man.
What are you going to call it?
Hello, little man. Oh, he's too busy cleaning himself. Oi, good man. No, he's just intent of cleaning himself right now. Very nice exhibits.
Oh, I've got a bit of grass there, isn't it?
It's an Angora rabbit.
What have we got in this one? He's got food. I reckon he's hiding inside the little hidey hole. Again, Teletubby Island. Unless he's down here, hiding in the side, is he? No, no, he must be
In there, Adam.
in the house. Yes. Oh yeah, there's some hay moving, I can see that now. That hay is definitely moving. Another themed area. With the indoor play area. This is the chicken zoo. You put your money in the box and it will start a nice little show for you. every half hour. This is the Dino Cheap Safari. So you pay for the little cart, you go around the nice little track and see the dinosaurs on your way around. Now we're going to have a go on the free Jurassic Golf. A nice arcade machine there. Dino Grabber. Well themed this. Yes, Mum, your aim. She hasn't even started where the map begins, but her aim is to get the ball and get it in the hole. This is Mum Vision. We're seeing it as it happens. 1, 2, 3. 3 attempts, well done. Here goes Dad. Oh, he hit the flag, he hit the flag.
No, 2.
3.
Like me.
I did it in 4. I didn't get that. Mum had started it before I started, but she did it in 2. Right, Dad, you'll go.
You got your ball out yet or not?
Oh, she can't get a ball out. Oh, what did you say? Oh, fighting talk.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hey, off you go. Mr. Hole in One. Oh, that wasn't a hole in one, was it? Oh. Oh. Not even 2.
It's coming down the hill. What's he trying to do with himself?
Oh, now I'm stuck.
He's not having a great time with oh God, with his health. I've lost it. How many was that? 2 so far? 3? That was 3. Four. 5. 5. Now for me. I've just had my go, and as you can see, I got a hole in one. Wasn't it a hole in one? I can't see the ball. That was a hole in one, yes. Brilliant. This one we've got dinosaurs. Mum's put it halfway in the pitch. She's took a swing, a proper swing at that one, and and it's gone over there. That's 2. That's 3. A bit too hard there. A bit too hard. Stand out the way. Oh, that's a 4th. It's gone way over the other side again. Oh no. That's 5. That's, oh yeah, 6. 6. He's done it in 6.
I can't get it out.
Oh, she can't get it out. Now for Dad. Oh, nearly. He might do it in 2. He might do it in 2. We wait upon his arrival. Here he is. Is he going to do it in 2? Is he doing it in... He's done it in 2.
Well, both the same.
And I did it in 3. So I failed. This one, what I've got to do is I've got to get it through one of the 3 holes. Where are you going? Oh, no, you got to start here.
I'm only little.
No, the objective is you've got to start here. You don't go halfway down the bloody pitch to start. You got 3 holes. You got the middle one and you got 2 side ones. So you went for the middle one, it failed.
That's 1.
So still trying the middle one, that's the 2nd attempt. That's the 3rd attempt. What about the hole at the side? So he isn't going for that one. That's about the 4th attempt, right? Right, now you've got to come down here.
Got to get in there, yeah?
Oh yeah, that's the objective. Five. We've done it in 5. Kenzie get the ball out this time. Oh, Kenzie. Oh, she's done it. Yes. Right, come on, Dad. Let's watch you. Oh God, that was a fly or something hit me in the head. We're going for the middle one. It's a fail, but we're there.
Not as easy as me.
Oh, 2. Oh, no, we failed. 3. Yep, it's down the first part. All eyes on the hole. How many was that so far? 3? 3 so far. 4. 5. He did it in 5.
Yeah. It was a bit tricky.
And I failed again.
You got the
7.
hole in one area.
Mum goes first. This is an interesting one. Oh, is he going to do it? Where's it going to go? That's 1. 2.
Oh.
It hit the flagpole. Oh, Mum's in the way of the camera. Oh, 3. 4. 5. This was an easy course as well. It was only started over there. 5. Oh God! I've got to get the ball out. Oh, there you go. My knees are creaking. Hey, here comes Dad.
It's bouncing from the
Oh my Lord!
You see it's bouncing from the air.
No, I didn't see your coat's gone under the arm apparently. Your coat's gone under the arm, Mum just said. Don't worry about that right now.
Yeah, at the back.
Turning into a monkey. Come on, let's get the gang done. 1. 2. No. 3. Naughty Mum. 4. Better than Mum.
4.
And I did it in 4. I missed that one. Oh, this is back down the hill again. Are we going to catch it up the hill? Is it going to go up the hill? No, oh, 2. She's using her foot now. 3. It's going back down. Oh. 4 means, oh, it's gone over there somewhere. Oh no, 5. Oh, 6. Oh. 7. Oh no, she's going to end up going back down. No, she isn't. 8. Yeah, she's going back down again. 8. Oh no, no, she's gone to the beginning. Oh no, she gives in. I don't know how to play this now. She's giving in. Alright, that's a foul. That's a foul hole. She doesn't get any points. She's giving in. Oh, here comes Dad. Can he do any better? Or is that going to be a foul? He's gone up. He's close. Could it be a 2? Could it be a 2? Oh no, no. Could it be 3? It's a 3, well done. No foul for me. Did it in 2. This one's has got a water feature to deal with. I think she's going in it. No, she isn't. That's 1. That's 2. Is she going in the water feature? No. Oh no! Where's it gone with it? It's gone there somewhere. Completely off the pitch. Foul play. Back to 0. Back to the point. Back to the start point. One. No. Fail. She's gone over the water feature too. Can she do it in 3? Oh, handbag view. 3! She's done it in 3.
Yeah, but I had 2 attempts. Ooh.
Oh, she got it out the hole.
Wet down there.
Oh, it's a bit wet. Oh, let's see how Dad can do it. 1 hit, 2 light. Two hit. It's over. It's over. Three. No. 4 and he's in. And I did it in 2. And here goes Mum. Course number 8. Let's see you go. Literally, she's gone over the top. She's gone over the top. Is it going to be a 2? No. Could it be a 3? Hey, it's 3. Now all eyes gone Dad.
Oh, well.
1. Oh, 1.
Nearly got an all-in-one. Nearly.
He's going around the post. And he's done it in 2. I've just fouled it. I've just fouled it. Throw it back at me. I've just fouled it. Eventually, did it in 3. This is an interesting one, hole 9. Very interesting. There's pits in the way. This has gone in the sand pit already. So he's got to get it up there. That's 1 so far. That's 2. 2 in pit.
Where's it gone?
2 in pit. The handbag is gone. She's losing everything, she says. I hope not. That's 2 so far. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. She isn't letting the ball roll anywhere. That's 6. That's 7 in the hole.
Leave that to his cows.
Here comes Dad.
It's difficult.
Oh, that's 1 hit. That's 2.
One more little trap.
That's 3. Did it in 4. And I had a foul. So if you want a Mr. Whippy here, a small is $2.70, medium is $3.50, a large is £4. Raffle cone is £4, rainbow cone £4, oyster £3, and a flake is an extra 50p. A slot is £3 or a large is $3.80. Water is expensive at $2.30, and other cans $2.30. An original Coke is $2.70. Also, here's your other ice cream lists if you're interested. At $2.20 for most of them, and $3.20 for the Magnum. They also have different events on throughout the year. For the kids, check the website for more details. Have a nice sized cafe there as well. Nice bench area. And this is the entrance. Yeah, this is where you saw the robin, yes. These are your prices. So, a roundup of today's visit. What did you think of it, Mum?
It was good.
Very good.
Very good? Yeah. There you go, the parents think it was all very good. Yeah, it was a very good visit. By doing improvements every year. We come here once a year, sometimes twice, because for the second time you get the half price when you come a second time. It was a very good day, very worth it. Always worth a visit to see the animals and the rides and that. Yeah, so see you in the next vlog, guys.